Do you know you can earn just by mining on Verychat mining project? Yes, all you have to do is to create account and activate your miner daily. This video is for educational purpose only. I'm not a financial advisor or guarantee you any earnings. What you earn here depends on your consistency. If this is your first time coming across my channel, I am Treasure. What I share on this my channel is all about app tutorials and earning apps where you can make money online just with your phone with no investment required. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe and also turn on your bell icon so that you will not miss any of my latest video or app tutorials like this. So let's dive into the video. What is Verychat? Verychat mining is a webplay mining project where users mine and accumulate the Very token for free just by mining and clicking on Verychat app and tap this place to activate your miner every 1 hour to 2 hours. Okay, so that is how basically you earn from this particular mining project. Again, you can earn by clicking this place you are seeing lucky box. When you click on it, ads is going to display something like a minute ads. Then you are going to claim the reward there, right? Then you also click on rain. You are going to watch 4 ads there in just 1 minute. You are done. You claim it. Then this place you are seeing booster. You're still going to click on it and watch those ads here and claim it. So after watching those ads here, it is going to increase your mining rate, okay? And when this is in full now, claim will display here. All you have to do is to click on claim to claim your rewards. After claiming this reward, don't just leave the app. Immediately you claim the rewards here, then you tap on this 2 to 3 times to activate your miner again. Do you understand? So, and whenever this ad show like this way, always click on it to watch to activate your miner, okay, and also boost your mining rate. So you can also earn by inviting, which is optional, but if you want to invite, then you click on this plus sign to copy your referral link and refer your friends. Okay, that is how you mine and earn Verychat token. And you can also sell or trade your token after you have completed your KYC. When you click on wallet here, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Most of you will watch this video and you will not like and you will not subscribe. It is unfair. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Okay, now we are going to put your pin here. Okay, so let me put my pin. So this is what I'm talking about. After you have completed your KYC, when you click on wallet, it is going to bring you to this interface, and this place you are seeing very 0. That's your tokens there will transfer here. We transfer to this Very token because Very is the main token you can now transfer and sell if you want to sell and withdraw now. But if you want to keep your token, then you can still keep your token and wait till listing date. So that is how basically to earn on Verychat. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and turn on your bell icon so that whenever I drop new updates or app tutorial like this, you are going to be notified and come and watch and get value from it. Thank you everyone for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one.